Well, I gave her a pile of dirt to dig in and put a little shelter around it. And she's building a new nest. And hopefully we have new babies. I don't know. I saw the little baby bunny rabbit, but couldn't catch a picture. Like, subscribe, comment, Freckles. She's still around. She's fun to watch grow. There's that little baby. She's a good little girl too. Maybe y'all don't understand that, sometimes, I think I've said it once or twice, that Freckles is my psychiatrist. 2 big ears, listens to what I have to say and doesn't criticize. But guess what, Freckles? We may have found a way to expand our channel. Some good always comes out of bad, and as a businessman, I'll utilize this opportunity I have to address the city council to expand my project to help everyone. I hope you like, subscribe, comment. I don't know, like I say, finding your way in a channel is hard, but stick with it. Have a great day. Youth Truth. Who knows? Isn't that frugal? You're the cheapest psychiatrist I know. Nature needs some hiding places. Do you use Cottontail? Not a sponsor. Well, Freckles is picky, even in choosing which grass she wants to build her nest. Like I said, one of my hobbies is a backyard wildlife study. And she'll take it over to that nest and she'll build a little special fortress. She's a cutie. Well, of course, this is BB, or baby, bunny. It's a questionable subject because by city code, no grass is allowed to go to grain. However, these animals eat it because it's more or less some sort of a requirement for them. So without grain being available in the city by hook or crook, they are a weaker species. And they wouldn't come so generously to the grain if their natural instincts didn't require it. Thanks. Like, subscribe, comment. Well, I've been trying to understand why rabbits are so boring. However, I've decided that they're one of the most peaceful critters on earth. They have accepted that they have no fight and only flight as a defense mechanism. And without the Constitution, that's what happens to us. We'll become domicile rodents, a virus on society. Food for thought. Like, subscribe, comment. Might be hard to see, but look at BB all cashed out and laying back, learning from Freckles, I guess. She's a cute little baby. She does an excellent job of, after she digs the hole, she prepares the hole to have her children in. And then a rabbit will come home and feed them and then rebury them. Only seen it once. What a beautiful thing. Freckles giving birth. I saw one baby at her most vulnerable. There are predators in the distance. But I believe she'll fulfill her natural obligations. Gotta love this rabbit. What a brave mother. To have her children and carefully place them in the nest with this predator. I wish we were all so brave. And her trusting me to walk around, and she might have figured out in 5 years that mankind is the biggest predator of them all. I witnessed Freckles giving birth to a new generation of rabbits that she has enclosed in the capsule of her burrow, which is what rabbits do. And she's left a pattern of grasses at the entrance, and we'll have to follow how often she comes to her nest, because I'm sure she comes in the dark with no witnesses. Both my little ladies approach life with caution. I have a longer story to tell about her. Freckles is always welcome in the sanctuary and makes her presence known almost every day. And I hope your community accepts you like my small 85 by 125 plot of natural grooming. Well, I'm trying to decide if she had a rough night and encountered a new wound by some evil type of natural predator. Go out and face the hawks on your own. That's probably a cat. I wanted to include in my morning's documentary on the American Cottontail BB for baby bunny or baby. Very hard to see, but maybe you can tell there's a baby in there if you can blow this up. Looks like just one. So cute. There might be another one that showed its face at the hole. I believe there is a second one. I hope it's strong enough to survive as well. From this angle you can see too. Speak of the angel, here she comes, checking out with her nose what's going on. I hope she trusts me. And now that she's finished, she will bury them back in that hole. I sometimes have thought that they're a cross between a mole and a bunny rabbit. And then she'll almost put every piece of dirt back and make that hole look like it was never there. She takes great care in hiding it and leaving an air pocket. Good morning, love. So glad to see that you come back to nurse at least the one baby I personally saw. I was a little concerned that it's like 2 days. However, you're a good mama. I can't prove it visually, just by my own eyes at times when I can't get a camera out. Like, subscribe, comment, but that's a position that they take when the babies crawl out and nurse, and then she'll bury him back. Perfect. We'll see if she comes back. Look at where all the grass is. I don't know if I can find her. Oh, now it's time to clean herself. She's like a cat. You know, very clean. Gotta clean the dirt. But I still think that wound, I can't get any closer than this at the moment. And then she'll eat. Don't know, a little peace of mind. It's like a fish tank. I don't know, if you look at that, she always leaves the lip overhead like a front porch to shed water away from the hole.